In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no impressions in Google Ads right now using a full detailed guide. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. It's a good idea to ensure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts or clients. Once there, look for the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner. Click on it and proceed by entering your Google account credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which serves as your operational hub. Now, when you're inside the dashboard, head over to the left-hand menu. You need to click on Campaigns. This section houses all your current, past, and even prospective campaigns. It's where you can analyze their performance, make adjustments, or begin new initiatives. Once you're in the Campaigns section, the next thing you'll want to do is select a specific campaign. If you're facing the issue of no impressions, focus on the campaign that's giving you trouble. There could be various reasons behind this occurrence, perhaps a simple error in settings, or more intricate problems. After you have selected your campaign, your next step is to ascertain if it is marked as enabled. If it's not, you need to click on the option Enable. Sometimes campaigns accidentally or automatically pause due to budget constraints, policy violations, or manual settings. Enabling helps ensure the campaign is active and ready for traffic. Following that, return to the campaign overview to check if any of your campaigns might be paused. A paused campaign won't receive impressions, so you might need to manually switch its status to active. This process kickstarts your campaign, making sure ad variants are ready to be displayed to viewers again. Now, while you're reviewing your campaign settings, it's crucial to examine the targeting criteria and keywords. Ensure your settings align with your advertising goals. Misaligned targeting can often be the culprit behind a lack of impressions. Consider broadening your location settings, expanding age selections, or reviewing your keyword choices to attract a larger audience. Additionally, scrutinize your budget allocation. A restrictive daily budget might limit your ad's appearance during active hours, meaning fewer opportunities for impressions. Increasing your budget can help elevate your ad visibility. Finally, take a moment to review your ad's quality score. Google rewards higher quality scores with more impressions since they signal relevance to searchers. Improve your ads by ensuring relevancy, enhancing ad headlines, or refining landing pages. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to address the no impressions issue in Google Ads. By following these steps, you should see your campaign's impressions increase. Don't forget to regularly monitor your ads' performance to identify any emerging issues early. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.